This is sewer camera inspection at 10758 Valley Spring Lane, North Hollywood, California 91602. Right here I'm stationed at the city channel. Basically this is where the homeowner starts to be responsible from. So as I start to bring it back, what we'll see is a vertical pipe. So this is a major drop where I'm bringing it from. That's why we're unable to see clearly. But shortly I'll hit that the turn, where as we can see, you know, this pipe is starting to crack. So as we make our way back, right here we're on a horizontal pipe. We can see some minor shifts, openings in joints as I bring it back. But basically it starts as a clay terracotta texture pipe, and eventually we'll hit a section where it remains original cast iron. This is one of those joints where it has some root intrusion, but the hydrojetter removed those roots. Again, as we can see here on the left side of the screen, the way the joints are together, right, is with cement through the outside. The majority of the times where the cement makes its way inside the line, where it starts to, you know, show on the left side of the screen. But on the right side, we have some minor root intrusion where it's poking in. But this is where the jetter came into play and removed them. Again, this is a back-to-back joint with cement. The majority of the joints, every line will have those joints connected like that. This is where it converts to cast iron. You see the two different texture pipes. That's clay. This is cast iron. As we can see, it has some corrosion where it starts to deform the pipe. Nothing too crazy. Definitely keep an eye on this section of the pipe as time passes by. And also, as we can see here, the pipe is not aligning evenly joint to joint, right? So instead of being a 4-inch, it's definitely less than 4-inch because the degree that it's shifted, right? So keep an eye on this. Here we have another section of cast iron. You see how this joint is aligned even better than the other one? That's how every joint should look, or better. This right here is at the clean out. The way they joined this pipe from ABS, which is plastic, going to clay, basically what it looks like is that they made a hole on top of the clay pipe and they just laid the plastic pipe on it where there's a gap in between, right? If I were to hit excessively more with the jetter, I would open that gap even further. So this is where I stop with the jetter, even though I would like to remove as much roots right here, but basically the more I hit it, the more I'm going to open it. So it's not recommended. As a matter of fact, this is one of those joints where we highly recommend to repair